in this video I will show you TikTok live option not showing 2022 resolving problem. When you take off on a problem like this one, don't worry about it. You have simple steps what you need to get off and take the real one. Firstly, you need to open up your profile selection on your account. Then you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side and you need to choose settings and privacy. When you get into that fiction, you need to scroll down and look on all of these selections and simply go for support and report a problem. Just go for the first selection, which is right here. Then you'll need to wait to get it to the full appointment. As you can see right here, you have I can't start a live. Go on that second selection, which is right here. Then what you can do next, simply here it is, the supporting team of TikTok, which is sending you a description. What is the most important thing what you need to know before you can start a live? And yeah, simply this description, you need to read it. And then if this description doesn't get resolved your problem, simply go no and then go need more help. Right after you get on that selection right here, you're gonna be available to take and report the problem. Right here you'll say what's the problem on your option setup, which needs to be connected by the live session on your TikTok, what you need to do to take off and simply get that live option, and also that you want to get the new feature which you'll get from the latest version of TikTok, that you're gonna take it right now.